this video, we're going to study about how to find the sum of two two-dimensional arrays. So here we need three arrays together. Three arrays. That means two inputs and one output. Okay, two input two-dimensional arrays and output array for storing the result. Okay, so first we're going to declare the arrays. Declare arrays. Okay, here we are taking 2 by 2 sizes, also 2 by 2. Okay, 2 rows and 2 columns are there. Okay, we can add take integer numbers, so the type is int. Then first array is giving array 1, so 2 subscript are there, equal to new int 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns are there, so size is 2 and 2. Okay, then next is array 2 equal to new int size is 2 by 2. Okay, then one more array we need for storing the result. So if the input size is 2 by 2, the output will be also in 2 by 2. So array 3 we have to give equal to new int okay. Now declaration over. Next we are going to enter the array elements. Okay, input first array elements. Okay, so in two-dimensional array we need a nested loop for inputting the array elements. So first loop for number of rows. Okay, here we have to give the message system dot out dot println enter elements in array 1. Okay, then start the loop for int I equal to 0, I condition is I less than 2. That means first row is 0, then second row is 1. 2 rows and 2 columns are there. I plus plus, then next inner loop int j equal to 0, j less than 2, j plus plus. Okay, then we have to input array 1. This is our array name, array 1 of I j equal to in dot next int. Okay, now input the first matrix, I mean first two-dimensional array. Next we want to input the second matrices. So since we already typed everything, to copy again repetition. Okay, so second input, second array. Here array 2 we are inputting. Here also what is array name? Array name is array 2. Rest everything is same. Then next, now we got the 2 inputs. What is next? We have to find the sum. Okay, so again we have to give the loop for storing the sum. So give loop. We're going to find the sum. Sum of arrays. Okay, copy the loop. Then, so where we are storing third array, in third array we are storing the result. So array of array 3. Array 3 is a result array. Array 3 of I j equal to array 1, array 1 of ij plus array 2 of ij. Okay, now close the loops. Next we have to print the result array. Okay, we will print all the matrices first. So again dot out dot println array 1 printing array 1. Then first inside the loop we are printing array 1 dot out dot print array 1 of ij row wise we are printing. So after printing the first row we have to println to come to the next line out dot println. Okay, same way we have to print all the arrays including result. Control C. This is second array. Here instead of array 1 we have to give array 2. Then next is we are going to print the result array. Okay, so result arrays okay, so array 3 is our result matrix. So array 3. Okay, now compile. No error. Now we have to run it. enter elements in array 1. So how many elements you are supposed to enter? 4 elements in array 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have to enter elements into second array. I'm giving 5, 2, 3, 0. Okay. That means sum of array elements first we printed array 1. What are the elements? 1, 2, 3 and 4. First row 1 and 2. Second row 3 and 4. Then array 2, 5, 2, 3, 0. The elements. That means after calculation we will get the result. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Then 2 plus 2, 4. Then 3 plus 3, second row 3 plus 3, 6. Then second row 4 plus 0 equal to 4. That means here element in the first row, that is 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Then 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 4 plus 0 equal to 4. This is the result. Okay.